You talk to the press for this interview. Tell me your name now that.
Okay, me na Mr. Abubakar Kamara. I reside at the UK.
Yeah. So, Mr. Abubakar, we come to police station today, and we see a lot of items. Then we cut across different appliance system.
Well,
help family understand. Waiting at the party.
Them property they already seen at the property. Then some of them na me household appliances where I get na me house, and some of them are business things where they sell. At one point on the 3rd of September 2019, police and can me house. Then come with his small brother and say one Nigerian man say I ain't get the thing in the place. Then get for arrested, but then put him under, then bang on a corner, put handcuffs on him. Then can't inside me house. The man said I ain't get all the property in the house. So at the England and call me back. When I called me, I said how comes? I said he sure say na police them. They cannot sure say na police them. They can't for acting can't win any. But they say na police them. So I said okay. Now we see if he said I ain't get the property, then he get evidence for proof saying I ain't get the property, then nothing not get. You know, even show no document. And I don't even get a warrant for can me host for can inside me host for can take them property then. 2019, 3rd of September, then go twice na me host with police truck. They clear the whole place. I give them documentation for show say them property and me property them. They don't do the investigation, but even though the investigation don't done, they're not going to give me the property. Then pass, I pay back a ticket from England during this COVID-19. I come for that get me property, and now they don't give me the property. They don't depreciate value. That property they also, the business where they do, they worth about 35,000 to 40,000 pounds sterling. In Lyons, roughly, if you check that one day in Lyons, you go there around 472,000 some hundred in Lyons if you convert them. But the worth of it, a part of my own home appliances, my own thing that what they use. So now this like
as we earlier mentioned, you don't can give property when you come. Are you satisfied? Are you satisfied so far with the manner at the process going? Secondly, the thing when you can give, satisfied with what you see?
Well, I'm not really happy because they don't go take me property. I don't get it today. Yeah. So I believe saying a good thing for a start for that get me property them. But I'm not happy the way I see them. Look, the value of them property all on the picture. Some of them don't work safe. I'm not even sure if they work.
You believe in they say you see somebody property and the office of some of them?
Yes, what kind of yes, what kind of the office to the OC in charge? The chair where she don't pay, na me chair. The fridge where they use in the office, na me free. I said, na me free this, and na me chair this. I even showed them the documents of a cooler, na me bag. I showed them the evidence. I said, this is na me property. Then I they say, sure. I said, of course. I pull the register. Sure. I said, okay, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I said, I believe say if police go take things on me house as evidence, they're not supposed to use them. But me things and then they use them all the time, and not to the first time this. For more the time, more the investigation on their own, I don't tell them say, look, that property there, I don't need for them to use them. They come for exhibit, not for use them. But now police be use all along.
You get planned for take further actions in as much as you don't see property in this way?
Of course, this is now the fight starts between me and them. Because if somebody can make allegations saying I make this property, no, just come. He can even make allegations saying I get all the inside me room, inside me things and what they wear. He said I get all things. I get chairs over 250 chairs when I folding chairs, when I banqueting chairs, where they get to people. He make allegations and I get them. The second time when they go to the house, he say not to get them. Police say they waste with time, but still police don't even come back to the census, not to them property, na my own property, not to him property.
We talking of a Nigerian, but you na Salon man?
Me na born Salon man. I make na Korea they talk, not to English if they talk. I want the Salon people they know say yes. Me na somebody where they try for empower young stars. Them way be say then they don't left university, they don't get job. I make a job creation for them. I make child let them get something, but that it don't look work. It don't look. I get a graduate where just come up from big college. You don't even get a job. Now them business the way they do. Now they do small thing. So now it don't happen.
If government will intervene, which character should they expect from them?
Well, me, I expect justice from the government. Although they say justice not there, but me believe say justice there. Because the system, we get for test the system. If somebody say, oh, justice not in a salon, you take and say justice not there, and not feel say not correcting. We need for test the justice system at the place. And for that, I don't get the property, so I'm happy for get them, but believe say justice delay is just denied. Now, I don't get me property them, I'm happy. But I want for let the government intervene, let them see how they treat me. Me on a born Salomon where they try for help. Me own brother in Naya. I not take money put in my pocket. I try for empower them, for let them get something for do. I don't want to let them in the street.
We're glad for talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mina Obaka.
Introduce yourself.
Abdul M. Fatoma. I work for Chadi as the chief executive.
Then Mr. Fatoma, tell me what you understand about this Property Committee today and how you feel like for the receive them today.
Well, sometime early last year, 2020, and we get a report from the office by one Sierra Leonean US-based journalist where they run Sarah Network Radio, and a report to me about a Sierra Leonean way in belief say the Sierra Leone police and a Nigerian national, don't take advantage on them by raiding the home and cater away with all, in business property and in domestic items and bring and kind of the central police, keep them in and arrest the man in small brother, the Mr. Kamara's small brother, when Abdullah Blah, and Abdullah Blah been there in detention twice. And there was one other, Aruna, we also involved in this matter. They keep arresting Aruna on and off. So organization legal department, provide legal representation for Aruna here in West because they arrest them from Kenema and can't detain them. And Mr. Kamara also hired a lawyer, we've been a representative, and Chadi in the forefront of, all of this to ensure, say, Mr. Kamara get justice in your country. And we begin to work with the Sierra Leone police, the director of crime services. We engage them, we engage the IG, we engage the Minister of Internal Affairs, Mr. Panda Noah, and engage so many other people that way the Nigerian man, they link them up, within the government and say, you get the government in backing, for exploit these Sierra Leoneans there. And we end up getting people then they, they now say, no, they're not getting any business for doing that Nigerian man. They just use the name them for nothing. And we continue to put pressure on police. Police keep on turning we down on several times. And the sad thing was that the police start using, this exhibit, as the office, equipment then. I mean, they use the executive chairs then they use the sofa chair, then they use the refrigerator, they use the photocopy, they use the television. I mean, these are one of the exhibits the way they collect from a crime scene as alleged. But then, if the police don't use them thing, and they already don't compromise, this whole thing. So the Nigerian man in one time began for calm with a journalist, a Australian journalist, we tore around the property and he identified them property then the large amount of the property then he said not to inget them, but extension cables then, now inget them extension cables then. So I mean the next day when these people then can take the property inside 2020. He say in lawyer say let him not agree. So the police therefore they buy that again and deny the rightful owner of the property they have another long time. So the battle still continue. We still continue engaging the police. So after 1 year, some months, today the man traveled from England. He came on Tuesday, last week Tuesday. Friday we engaged back the AIG for crime services. We make them give him what they go give the property them. So the property then will go to them people there, and it'll be right again on Friday. So we push on to Monday. Monday, when at today we call on this morning for Mexico and then property they are back over to the man. They say in Northern Kenema again, they as far as Skyland. But now talk to the officer where they in charge, not the task force. So when he talk to the officer, he instruct the officer say, the fact that say the property there where they be not identified, where it belongs to this man, it not belongs to the Nigerian man, make it return the property they are back to them people there. So now in that outcome they will able to get this one today.
So how you feel as a civil rights activist? How you feel like for the situation happened this way. Somebody in property where they own a police, people started using it as theirs.
I mean, that alone give you a clear evidence about the unprofessionalism of Israeli police force. Anything when I exhibit, we not get right for tamper with her anymore. So the fact that the police tamper with an exhibit, when an evidence, you know, for the case, it already compromised the case. It already undermined the process of that case. You know, and when you look the police 1964 Act, it clearly distinct that, you know, that even when police confiscate any property, police get to go through court for return back their property then. But when you look at the act, the police act, it's not what really the police of this country are following. They are doing what they think is good for them. The bosses are commanding the command that they think is good for them.
Okay, Fatima, we're glad for talking to you.
You're welcome.
This year, we meet the back this table, we meet the back documents on the table. Now, only we can this morning, now we for full documents. You see, they say all this year, you know, work well again because this thing is fixed up, and I know they work again. That's why they give you 12.1. The chair, the winner, decent chair, we don't work for police chair. Underneath the chair, we miss over 1 million from on head day. Why you tell us? I say this chair and we chair, you can't pay money for chair. They say they get the money. They even all million put all the money in the chair. It's this thing. Because this thing they grab. They even it's this thing. They put all the money in the chair. This is not they get that. They not even stop there. That's a banana. This is now brand new freezer. Will be the user brand new one. Now we can meet it on the machine. And we meet inside one boss man in the office back this morning. We even open them, we put all the water inside the freezer. So it means they be the user now. And look the water inside the now, say the freezer and the user. So it means our party and take for design and office them.
Crimes, I'm in charge of this matter. And even though I don't produce the document them all day here there, I still hold on to them property there. The general officer they really forget the property because they see the evidence is clear enough. They don't go to the shipper don't identify yes, then property there and this man in property. And they even see the code of the shipper. The shipper even testified to them, say, look, now we transfer them to this man in property, but still AIG Bramaja. Now demand this way all on to them in property all year they ask. But I'm so glad I don't get it back. Though they don't damage, it's a worth of nearly 35 to 40,000 pounds sterling.